and talk about when this man resigned or did not resign, when they did a fresh conference, a fresh primaries to replace him, which we have done before. We are not going to do it again. This matter ought not to have come here. When the matter was pending at the trial court, this court delivered that judgment. If you read the judgment of the lower court, they mentioned it. That Supreme Court, this appeal lacks merit and is thereby dismissed. My Lord, to my right, Abaj.
I agree with my learned brother, Justice John Ian Okoro. This appeal, SCCV 937, 2023, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi and the Independent National Electoral Commission lacks merit, and it is also dismissed by me.
My Lord, Garba Jesse.
I also totally agree with the lead judgment that this appeal substantially canvass the same issues with the appeal number 935, 2023, which this court has very comprehensively dealt with, and there is no need for us to repeat ourselves because the issues are the same. The only issue that's different, like pointed out by my learned brother, the PJ, is that about double nomination, which you have settled, and we do not intend to open it again in this appeal. On the whole, I also join the lead judgment to dismiss this appeal for lacking in merit.
My Lord, Salah.
Having had the privilege before now of reading in draft the judgment prepared and delivered by my learned brother Okoro JC, I cannot but concur with the far-reaching reasoning and the conclusion that have been postulated in the judgment to the effect that the instant appeal lacks merit, thus ought to be dismissed by this court. Having associated myself with that reasoning and the conclusion, I have no hesitation whatsoever in dismissing the appeal. Appeal dismissed.
My Lord, Jaro.
I had the advantage of reading in draft copy of the lead judgment just delivered by my learned brother, John Ian Okoro JSC. I entirely agree with the reasoning and conclusion contained therein that the appeal is void of merit and it ought to be dismissed. Consequently, I join my brother in dismissing the appeal.
My Lord Abubakar Jesse.
I also had the advantage of reading in draft the judgment of my learned brother Ian Okoro JSC, and I am of the view that the appellants have nothing useful to urge this court. The appeal lacks merit, and it is hereby dismissed by me.